If you want to enable Siri with ChatGPT on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, first of all, just make sure you turn on Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. Otherwise, the ChatGPT extension will not appear. Just tap on Turn on Apple Intelligence and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. After you've done that, then tap on Continue. Now just select a voice for Apple Intelligence or Siri.
The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky.
For example, I will select this voice. After you select your preferred voice, then tap on Continue and select Not Now. And after you've done that, you will find the ChatGPT extension over here. Now, if the ChatGPT extension is grayed out, just wait for a few seconds for your iPhone to download the ChatGPT extension. But if you have enabled Apple Intelligence and you cannot find the ChatGPT extension, then just go back and in the main settings page, just tap on Screen Time. Now for the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. After you get the password of your parental controls, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, tap on Intelligence and Siri, then go to Intelligence Extensions. Now if it is on Don't Allow, just select Allow. After you enable Intelligence Extensions, then go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And over here you will find the ChatGPT extension. Now just tap on it, then tap on Setup. Tap on Next, and select Enable ChatGPT. And from here you can sign into your ChatGPT account if you want. After you have enabled the ChatGPT extension, you will be able to use ChatGPT with Siri, like, Hey Siri, what is the difference between the length of the tallest building in the world and the shortest building in the world? As you can see, it is asking us that if we want to use ChatGPT to answer this question. Just select Use ChatGPT, then select Always Confirm if you always want to use ChatGPT with Siri. And as you can see, it has given us the answer with the help of ChatGPT. And this is how you can enable ChatGPT with Siri on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.